Hello friends, welcome to today's session on trigonometry. In this session I am going to explain third and fourth questions from exercise 8.4, page number 193, chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. So let's read the third question. Evaluate sin square 63 plus sin square 27 degrees divided by cos square 17 degrees plus cos square 73 degrees. First of all, we can apply, by looking at this, we can see that we can apply the laws of complementary angles, right? Let us see if we can write it in the form of sin square a plus cos square a. Okay, the numerator part. We know that sin a is equal to cos of 90 minus a and cos a is equal to sin of 90 minus a. We will apply these two laws for simplifying this expression. Okay, first of all, sin square 63 plus, that implies sin square 63 plus sin 27 can be written as cos square of 90 minus 27 degrees, right? Because sin a is equal to cos of 90 minus a divided by cos square 17 degrees plus cos 73 can be written as sin of 90 minus 73. Sin square of 90 minus 73 degrees. Okay, now this can be rewritten as sin square 63 degrees plus cos square 63 degrees divided by cos square 17 degrees plus sin square 17 degrees. Again, this is in the form of sin square a plus cos square a identity, right? We are going to use the identity sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. We are going to use this identity. So, sin square 63 degrees plus cos square 63 degrees becomes 1 divided by cos square 17 plus sin square 17 degrees becomes 1. So, the answer is 1. Hope this is clear. Now, let's move to the second part of this question. Let us see if we can simplify this in the form of sin square a plus cos square a. So, sin 25 plus sin 25 into cos 65 can be written as sin of 90 minus 65. Sin of 90 minus 65 degrees plus cos 25 into cos 25 degrees into cos of 90 minus 65 degrees. This is equal to sin 25 degrees into sin of 90 minus 65 is sin 25 degrees into plus cos 25 degrees into cos of 25 degrees. Okay, this is equal to sin square 25 degrees plus cos square 25 degrees. This is equal to 1. We have used the identity sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. I have used this identity for solving this problem. Now let's move to the fourth question. Choose the correct option, justify your choice. So first one is 9 secant square a minus 9 tan square a. So this can be written as 9 into secant square a minus tan square a. We know that secant square a minus tan square a is 1. 9 into 1, that is equal to 9. So the answer is B. Now the second part of the question, 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta is equal to. First of all, let's substitute sin and cos in these terms and simplify this. 1 plus sin tan theta is sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta into 1 plus cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta. That is equal to cos theta into cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. I have taken LCM, divided by sin theta into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, right? That is equal to, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, right? A plus b cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 into cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. So it becomes a square minus b square, cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 square divided by cos theta sin theta. Okay, this is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 divided by cos theta sin theta. Okay, this is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 divided by cos theta sin theta. So 1 gets cancelled. That is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta sin theta. That is equal to 2. So the answer is C. C is the answer for this question. Now let's move to the third part of the question. Secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. So let us substitute sine and let us write this first expression in the terms of sine and cos. Secant A becomes 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A plus tan A becomes sin A by cos A into 1 minus sin A. This is equal to 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. That is equal to 1 minus sin square A divided by cos A. That is equal to, what is 1 minus sin square A? Cos square A. Why? Cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1, right? So cos square A becomes 1 minus sin square A. Cos square A divided by cos A. That is equal to cos A. So the answer is D. Now let's move to the last part of this question. 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A is equal to. So 1 plus tan square A can be written as secant square A. We know that secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. So 1 plus tan square A becomes secant square A divided by 1 plus cot square A becomes cosecant square A. This is another identity. So secant square A is 1 by cos square A into cosecant square A is 1 by sin square A. That becomes sin square A. That is equal to sin square A divided by cos square A. We know that sin A by cos A is tan A. So it becomes tan square A. Okay, hope this is clear for you. That's all for this session. You can refer to other videos for more solved questions in this exercise. And please subscribe to the channel and share the videos. And you can leave your feedback in the comment section below. Until then, see you.